Hey, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add your JazzCash Paypak card, credit card, or debit card to your Apple ID. This process is simple, secure, and only takes a few minutes. I'll walk you through each step so you can set it up without any confusion. Let's get started. First, grab your iPhone and open the Settings app. It's the gray gear icon on your home screen. At the very top of the Settings page, tap on your name. This will open your Apple ID section, where you can manage iCloud, media, purchases, and payment details. Next, tap on Payment and Shipping. This is where all your saved payment methods are stored and managed. For security reasons, Apple will ask you to authenticate. Depending on your device settings, you'll use Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. This step protects your financial information and ensures only you can make changes. Once inside, tap Add Payment Method. Now enter your card details carefully. This includes your card number, expiration date, and CVV. Make sure everything is accurate to avoid payment issues later. After filling in all the required information, tap Done to confirm. Your new card will now appear under your saved payment methods. From now on, you can use it for App Store purchases, subscriptions, iCloud storage, and other Apple services. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully added your JazzCash, Paypak, credit, or debit card to your Apple ID. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more simple and helpful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.